Here comes another good one, guys. Mind you, those waves are about 8 feet high when they start. I'm just standing pretty far back, and the water is coming so fast. It's like a damn tsunami. This is more water than tsunami hit. See? Oh, there's another one. But it's bringing up all this water right here. It's like a river. It's getting closer to me. You might have to evacuate. Look, straight ahead. Wow, look at all that water those waves pushed in. It's up to my feet almost. Well, here comes the wave coming in. I'm going to get wet. Yeah, I did. Good, clean fun at the beach. Ooh. Here, watch this wave rolling. Watch this wave about to roll. Look, it's going to roll right on those rocks. Mind you, that's where the Navy SEALs do their training, is on these rocks during high tide. They gotta land their boats on these rocks without getting tore up by these waves. And this isn't even all the way high tide, but it is a high surf advisory.